Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, Finnifty also, just because it is a Tuesday expiry, and we are going to discuss about one strong stock and one weak stock that can be helpful for 4th of July, friends. So first things first, in the previous session, we discussed about buy in Asian Paints, and you have seen Asian Paints were more or less sideways. What do we see now? We see a left shoulder, we see a head and a right shoulder half formed, next half will form. What else do we see? If I zoom back like this and have a Fibo placed from the recent bottom here till the top, the shoulder has touched just the 50% level and possibility of going up is very high. What do we also see? We also see a attempt of a breakout. Okay, so what has happened is this is actually a breakout followed by a retest situation also is what we see. Now this stock did not perform in the previous trading session, but it did not even hit the stop loss, which would have been at 61.8 levels. Coming to the weak stock that was discussed in previous session, it is Adani Ports. You have seen it has gone ahead and given us the target. Now what is more important is strong stock not performing is not important. When Nifty and Bank Nifty both were making new highs, our weak stock has made its journey downwards and given us the target. This is more important. For this particular selection, it definitely deserves a like. The video deserves a like. Make sure that you hit the like button. Talking about what do we see now in the stock, we will come to that shortly. Before coming to Nifty, friends, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button and also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who would be interested in making money from Indian stocks. This kind of analysis with complete detailed reason is what I am giving you every day as and when I get time. Now coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty, both of them gave gap up followed by upward momentum. Okay, this was a nice upward momentum. There was a double top followed by retracement, and again it closed at the high. Now what next? See, in one of the previous video I have already given you a target for Bank Nifty. The target using Fibo based trend extension has come to 45,888. Okay, so those who have not seen that video, please go ahead and see the video. The thumbnail of that video looks something like this. It talks about levels inside, next levels inside. So that target is still there, friends. In this video we also gave two targets. One was in at 45,100s and the second one was around 45,400s. Both of them were met. If you have still not seen the video as to how we got these targets, you can go ahead and watch that video. Detailed analysis is given there. What do we see now? Now here, see, Nifty, at least it is little bit confusing, but it has also given a similar kind of a pattern, which is called a upward triangle. See, look at this triangle pattern which Nifty has given. So as soon as there is a breakout, there is a possibility of a further upward momentum. How much would be the momentum? It will be the size of this pole, which is so much. So there is good possibility of it to go further up like this. Okay, this would be a good possibility, but would it go in one day? We doubt it a little. Coming to Bank Nifty, here we see a similar pattern, but not a triangle pattern, not a upward ascending triangle pattern. It is a flag pattern. However, even the flag pattern is a bullish pattern, friends. Now look at this. This is a proper pattern breakdown of this pattern will simply trigger this particular area or maximum this area, and breakout will trigger a upward momentum of 43,888 as a target. Okay, how did we reach to that target? It is already there in the video. Please go and see that particular video. When can we create positions? We can go ahead and create positions at following levels. Now see, look at this, friends. When I'm drawing a Fibo like this, you have seen it has retraced from exactly 38.2. In yesterday's video, if you remember, we had drawn Fibo like this. Okay, and I told you that as soon as it comes at 38.2 levels, you can create a buy position for this target. And you see the same target has been met in a matter of 1.5–2 hours. So this was a very profitable move that was discussed yesterday. Now we are giving this Fibo from 38.2 levels, from 23.6 levels is what we have seen retracement. It has come down and there is a high possibility of this particular breakout. Look at this breakout carefully. Now this breakout, we would not create buy positions. We would wait for this breakout, which in today's case is an important breakout. Once this blue line is broken, you will see a further upward momentum of around 350 to 400 points, which will get it to our target, which is 45,888. Will this breakout happen today? I doubt a little. There is high chance of it to break downwards, touch the 38.2 or 50%, stay there for some time, and then continue its journey to 45,888. That's what I strongly feel. Talking about Finnifty and Nifty are going hand in hand. You see a similar clear-cut flag pattern here. The breakout of this flag pattern or breakdown of this flag pattern will initiate a nice upward or a downward rally. Now if you look carefully here, the breakdown is already done, friends. This is your breakdown followed by retest, and there are attempts to even break this particular level. There is a high chance of it to go down. How will it go down? It will first break this area and come for a retest. That's when we will go ahead and create sell positions. What we will also do is we will draw a Fibo from recent top to whatever bottom it is making here or here, and try to enter at these particular levels. That is here 20,291 or 20,261. These two levels is what we'll try to enter for a target of this area. First target would be this one area where it has made a bottom. Second target would be this bottom, friends. We will not expect a gap filling coming in today's session until there is a very big weakness. Okay, so that's how we can trade on Finnifty. Talking about the buy and sell stocks for the day, we are choosing HUL for a buy or a strong stock. How? You can see this kind of a momentum that it has given towards the end of the day when Banknifty and Nifty both were sideways. So that clearly confirms that it is very strong. Now what do we see next? We also see a clear trend line breakout. Okay, there is no retracement that has come after this breakout. Now there are multiple ways of creating positions here. From this double bottom here that it made, ignore that. From this double bottom that it made here, we are drawing a Fibo upwards. So from here to here, if I am drawing a Fibo, these are your entry points: 2712, 2705. I doubt if it will come to these points today, because Nifty and Bank Nifty are going to give you a gap up. So in that case, as soon as it opens here at any small retracement, we can go ahead and select buy for upward targets of 35 followed by 50, friends. Okay, 2735 and 2750 would be your upward targets here. Talking about the weak stock, remember I told you we'll talk about Adani Port sometime later. See, now if I'm drawing this trend line, you clearly see that it has given a breakdown yesterday, retested and come back to the same level again. At this retest, what do we also see? We are drawing a Fibo from recent top to bottom. We see this support acting like a resistance now, and we see a rejection of 23.6 levels. Now we can create sell positions right here, or we can wait for this particular trend line to break. As soon as this trend line is broken, we can go ahead and create sell positions for first target bottom, which it has made yesterday. Second target will be this bottom, friends, 719 levels. I hope you liked the video. If you have liked it, please hit the like button. Also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from Indian stocks. Your like is very important, friends. That will help YouTube understand that people are liking the content, and it will share the content to multiple people. Thanks for watching and happy trading.